Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to configure your timer on Snapchat. So for you to do that, you have to tap on this camera icon, then you tap on timer. Okay, you tap and swipe up, and you scroll to the very end and tap on timer. Good. Then you tap on the icon. So from here you can set the length or the duration at which you want your video to stop recording on Snap. So let's say you set your video timer till 1 minute. That means whenever you tap on the snap recording button on your Snapchat, the length or the duration of the video at which you can record at that particular moment will be between 0 seconds to 1 minute. So once you tap that and you tap on your snap button to record a video, exactly when it hits 1 minute as you set in your timer, then the video is going to stop. That is how you can configure your timer on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.